This is perfect for DIY pergolas. Pergolas that you can make in your own home. Like this rain curtain, 12 feet long. Or you can even add LED lights, so nighttime when that water comes out, boy, they can change colors, that'll look cool. How do you like this sound? You know, accidents happen at job sites, and watch towards the end and leave me a message and let me know if this ever happened to you, by the way. Okay, check this pergola made out of PVC. It's got those lights at night. How about this sound? Also, I would like your opinion. Please answer the poll on the top right hand corner. Question is, would you like to learn how to make a water curtain manifold? If a lot of you are wanting to learn, then I'll make a video showing you how to step by step. Now, pergolas don't need water. You can do this right in your back patio. How pretty this is. A pergola right over your spa. How about this pergola in your backyard? You know, all you got to do is get with your pool company guy when they're building it and ask them to have two 2-inch PVC pipes, one at each end for where the posts are in order to feed the water to the manifold. These pergolas are made out of pressure treated wood, 2x10s for the support, 2x6 for the cross beams, and then 6x6 for the post. Now this pergola is kind of unique. It's got two manifolds on either side. And this one over the spa, the water comes right down the middle. Check it out in the next picture. How cool. Now the wood, the columns, those that have water, it's made out of cedar with a hollow inside so the manifold can run all the way to the top to feed the water. The stain on these pergolas is a stained paint that you can get at Lowe's. It's very durable. Highlight this pergola, Corinthian columns with a rain curtain. The accent's coming next.
Dad, careful, watch it at the pool. There's Dad.
We're gonna put this pergola over here.
How's it going, Dad?
All right, man, muscles.
Woo!
Yeah, baby.
Now we're gonna take a look over here. And then all this. Whoa! Ah! My phone's broke.
If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell. I know you will like any of these two videos. Check them out.